In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Notion. A Gantt chart in Notion is called a timeline view, and it's perfect for planning projects, tracking tasks across dates, and seeing how work overlaps. To get started, open Notion and select the page where you want this chart to live. Ideally, this page already contains the database you want to visualize, such as a list of tasks with date information. Selecting the right page first keeps everything organized and ensures your timeline pulls from the correct data. Once you are on the page, look near the database name at the top. You'll see a small plus icon beside the view name area. Click that plus icon to add a new view. This is how you tell Notion you want another way to look at the same data without duplicating or moving anything around. From the view options that appear, choose Timeline. This is Notion's version of a Gantt chart, showing items laid out across a calendar so you can see durations and dependencies at a glance. If your database already includes a date property, Timeline will use it to place each item on the chart. If you use start and end dates, the bars will stretch across the full range, making it easy to spot overlaps and gaps. Next, give your timeline a clear, descriptive name. Type something that makes sense for your workflow. Maybe project plan, release roadmap, or team schedule. A good name helps teammates quickly recognize the purpose of this view among other views, like table or board. When you're happy with the name, click Done. Notion will create your timeline view instantly and show your items across the time grid. At this point, you'll see each task represented as a bar that you can understand at a glance. To refine what you see on each item, open a property visibility. This control lets you choose which fields appear on the timeline cards, keeping the view focused on exactly what matters. For an initial setup, click Show All. Revealing all properties helps you confirm that key details like assignee, status, priority, or tags are available. Later, you can hide anything that clutters the view so the chart stays clean and legible. That's it. You've built a functional Gantt chart in Notion using Timeline. From here, you can review how tasks line up, communicate deadlines more clearly, and keep your team aligned. Keep your data accurate, and the timeline will always reflect the real state of your project.